In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your task list organized in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable task board set up from a template and know exactly how to keep it updated. First, head to your Monday.com homepage and sign into your account. From the home view, look to the left sidebar and choose Workspaces. Workspaces help you keep different teams or projects separated, so pick the one where your task list belongs. Keeping items in the right workspace makes them easier to find and share with the right people. Inside the workspace, click the plus icon to add something new. A small menu appears. Hover over Board to see your options. Boards are where your tasks live, so we'll start with a ready-made layout to save time and follow best practices. Choose. Start with Template. This opens the Template Center where you can browse pre-built setups. Select all templates to view everything available. If you don't see what you need right away, switch to the General Templates section. This area usually includes straightforward task and to-do boards that work for most teams. Use the search bar and type task. You'll see options for task management and to-do tracking. Click the one that best matches your needs to open the preview. Here you can scan the structure, columns, and example items to make sure it fits. When you're ready, click Use Template. If prompted, confirm the workspace and location so the board appears in the right place from the start. Your new board will open, ready for edits. Begin by renaming the board to something clear and specific. Update the group names like To Do, In Progress, and Done to match your process and remove any placeholder items. Adjust columns to suit your workflow. Add assignees, due dates, priorities, and status columns if they aren't already there. Keep column names simple and stick with a consistent priority scale to avoid confusion. As you add tasks, write concise titles and use the item updates area for details, links, or decisions so context stays with the task. You can also switch to the main table view to see your full list in a clean spreadsheet style layout. This is ideal for bulk updates. Make a habit of updating statuses as work progresses, assigning owners, and setting realistic due dates. Sort or filter by owner or due date to focus on what matters today, and collapse completed groups to reduce noise. A quick daily pass to confirm statuses and a weekly sweep to archive finished work will keep your task list organized and trustworthy. That's it. Your task list is now set up, easy to maintain, and ready to keep your team aligned.